Welcome to my project. So first of all, I want to say acceleration is the rate at which an object's velocity changes with time. So if an object, well in this case we're going to be calculating the velocity of an object. So if an object is velocitizing, but if we're able to calculate the velocity, then the object is accelerating. There are a few increments, which you can see here and later on in the video. Feel free to pause if you want to look into those in greater depth. But there are a couple little intervals where the object was not technically accelerating. If we drill down a little bit more as far as the time goes, we'd be able to see that. Now, Galileo, he was a super cool dude. Really good at challenging ideas and making movement in the field of physics, but he calculated just some questions that he had, and he used inclined planes. And so here you'll see first in the last clip we rolled a ball across a horizontal plane, and in this one we're doing an inclined plane, rolling it down. So some of my thoughts and questions and things that I was looking to discover are here throughout the video in little bits and pieces, and the most valuable thing, the coolest, is calculating the velocity. Now, the velocity both for the incline and the horizontal plane, there were some times where there was no net force acting, it was just going constant. And of course, with the incline, you'll see that there were a lot of times that it picked up speed, but I was actually surprised with how it went a little bit up and down. So super cool opportunity. Thank you so much.